Hi families, my name is Shanna. I'm a nutrition coordinator at the Crim Fitness Foundation, and today we are going to make spicy chicken. After you have trimmed the fat off your chicken thighs, you're going to take your chicken and place it in a bowl. Chicken is a great source of protein. Then you are going to take your seasonings. First, you have 6 teaspoons of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. Set that aside and chop up some garlic cloves. Once you have chopped up your garlic, add it to your bowl of seasonings and chicken. Stir your chicken. Get all those flavors. Once you have stirred and mixed your chicken, you're going to place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to 24 hours to marinate. After your chicken has marinated for 1 hour to 24 hours, remove it from the refrigerator. Put 2 tablespoons of oil into your pan or skillet. Once you've added the oil to your skillet or pan, turn the temperature to medium-high heat. Add your chicken to your skillet or pan. Cook your chicken anywhere from 4 to 8 minutes per side. When your chicken is almost done, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Once your chicken is finished cooking, you can serve it up and enjoy to eat.